Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Honor X8. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom right here, that's your main speaker. Next is right here on the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. To determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of these speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, the speaker on the bottom and the speaker on top, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from a bottom speaker only, and that would mean this phone doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.